Good afternoon, everybody. Jay Zukas here. If you're watching this, you know who the fuck I am. The guys over at What Is Hip. They are a retro vintage clothing shop in the UK. Sent me an extremely large package full of clothing, and they asked me to do a video unboxing and trying stuff on, and all that good jazz for them. And of course, I said I'd oblige. I'm a little frustrated because I just started this video once and for some reason it stopped recording, so I have to start again. The box has already been opened, so I stuffed everything back in so I can open it out or pull it all back out again. Somehow this package arrived to me in less than a week, so normally they take like 3 or 4 weeks to get here. I'm super happy about that. So let's open this up and see what we got. First, I've got this awesome orange and blue Relco shirt, and then we have this awesome green check shirt from Real Hoxton. I might toss these on just to show you guys, but if you know anything about braces, you know what Relco braces are like. Got 3 pair. I got navy, green, and yellow to replace some that I damaged being a dumbass and throwing them in the wash. This is one of their new signature polos from What Is Hip. It's their own line, I think. It's either Soul Generation or Generation Soul. Really cool polos. I'm going to try those on. They sent me 2 sizes because I really wasn't sure of which size I actually wore. Got this beautiful monkey jacket from Real Hoxton. I'm really excited about that, even though I live in Florida and God only knows when I'm going to get a chance to wear the damn thing. Maybe next winter, guys. I've got the Stay Pressed navy trousers from Relco that I've been aching for. And then I've got these green tonic trousers from Relco. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the pants, because then I can wear them with one of the shirts. Keep in mind, guys, it is currently right now 93 degrees here in South Florida outside while I'm filming this, so I'm sweating and I'm hot, and I'm not going to be wearing this stuff long. So, green tonic. I actually really love these pants. I've got the red tonic ones already. Check these guys out. Beautiful, beautiful fit. I think I'm actually going to try these pants on with the green Real Hoxton shirt. So let's do that. Put this stuff over here. All right, so I did a review on Real Hoxton last time when I got the red and blue shirt from What Is Hip that they gifted me, which was super awesome of them. And now I get to check out this green one. It was a toss-up between the green one and the tan goldish colored one. I already have a tan Ben Sherman shirt and a tan J-Gate shirt, and I don't have any green shirts, so got this guy. So we're going to check this sucker out. Like I said, I've already reviewed Real Hoxton, but I'll just go through real quick. They do have awesome button collar, the full pleated back, locker loop, and a really awesome 3-finger collar. So let's get this guy. Come on. Huh? I got a pin. Sorry, guys. Da-da-da-da-da. Superman. All right. Again, with Real Hoxton, they're amazing shirts. I really love these. The only thing is I've got a really big neck. If I ordered an extra large, it would just be too big for me and I'd have to get it tailored. Luckily, with the larges, I don't have to get them tailored. So I can handle not being able to button up the neck. I mean, I can. It's just a little bit of work. So, all right. I'll tuck this guy in. It's going to look fabulous. Sharp as hell with these green tonic pants. Now that's fucking smart. Maybe I will toss these guys on real quick. These guys make really great braces. Always have. Don't tell anyone. Well, I guess I'm telling you right now. I usually replace these with metal ones. I'm a little bit picky. I love the quality of these. I'm not a big fan of the plastic backs. So there we go. Looking smart, right? It's a good look. All right, so on to this Relco shirt real quick. Actually, I'm going to try on these polos first. I've never worn one of these. I've never bought one of these. I've never tried one of these. I have no idea how it's going to fit, how it's going to look. All I have to go by is the word of the guys over there at What Is Hip. So I'm hoping it's really nice so I can get them some business on it. Let's see, I have a small and a medium. The small looks kind of big, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I will tell you now, just from looking, they will run a little bit big. This is a 3-button polo. White on black. They've got a couple other colors available also, so feel free to message them about them. Yeah, I don't know why I thought I'd be able to fit a small. It doesn't even cover my stomach. The chest feels good on it. It's just too short. So here is the medium. This should be what I need. I hope I don't have to get a large, because then I got to send these back and wait for that. God, I feel like I look like a goon right now. Look at this. Doo-doo-doo. Help me out of my shirt. Alright. This medium is spot on. It's what I needed. Again, these run a little bit big. So the small is more like a medium, the medium is more like a large. It's got a nice fit on the collar here. Sleeves, real nice, not too long. What do you think of that? Looks good, right? Any questions, or if you want more pictures, let me know. All right, so we're gonna get this polo off, and we're gonna toss on these Relco Stay Press trousers and this Relco orange and blue shirt. Don't act like you've never seen a grown man in his skivvies before. I already own 2 other pair of Relco pants, so I kind of knew how these Stay Press were going to fit. Fit nice as always. I always have to get them taken up a little bit. They're a little long. I like to wear mine around 28 inches. These are 32s. So let's get this Relco shirt on. 1 second, guys. What's that say? Sorry, that was my wife. trying to pay attention to two things at once. All right, so the Relco orange and blue check in a large with the Relco navy stay press trousers. We'll get a look at this. I'm going to toss on those blue braces with it just to give you guys a better idea. Now, I don't know a lot of skinheads or, let's say, people into the scene at all that haven't owned Relco clothing. But if you are one of those who haven't, I hope that my videos help you decide on choosing clothing from them, because they're a real good fit. Always have been. Perfect shirt, great pants, always look good together. And I'll just toss these braces on real quick. There's a new braces company floating around on Instagram. I forget what they're called. I think it's Bobber Braces. I'm not really sure. I'm going to check them out and order some from them and do a review for you guys so you can see that. They already have the steel backs, so there we go. Proper. Love it. And for the final thing here, this is the new Real Hoxton monkey jacket. They have this in so many different colors. I wanted the maroon at first, the burgundy, but I decided against it and decided to go with the white, because I probably have more clothing that it'll match. This is, I think, a medium. Look at that. There you go. So anyways, if you guys would like to subscribe to my page, like, share it, leave some comments, let me know what else you'd like to see me review on a video, any other clothing lines or clothing items. I'll be happy to do it, man. I don't mind spending a few bucks to get something in and help other people decide whether or not it's for them. So click the like button, click the subscribe button, leave me a comment. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Jay the Mad Russian, all one word, JayTheMadRussin, excuse me. Jay the Mad Russian. I'm breathing heavy because it's 100 degrees out here and I'm wearing 3 layers of clothes. So I'm going to sign off, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep supporting our scene. Dress smart. Working class pride. Oi, motherfuckers.